We must now define the terms conjecture, conditional, biconditional, converse, counterexample, and deductive. A conjecture is when you reach a conclusion based on a pattern, like a prediction or a guess. We learned this word when we talked about inductive reasoning. We make conjectures based off of a pattern that we see. A conditional is just a statement written in if-then form. If the hypothesis, then the conclusion. A biconditional, which we mentioned at the first question. If the conditional and converse are both true, you can write a biconditional statement with the phrase if and only if. The converse of a statement is formed by switching the hypothesis and conclusion. So instead of if hypothesis, then conclusion, we'll have if conclusion, then hypothesis. A counterexample is an example that proves a statement is false. Just like we looked at on question 5, I found an example that proved our statement was false. And deductive is a type of reasoning based on facts and rules. Goes from a general statement to a specific situation. On the other hand, inductive reasoning is based off of observations and patterns.